welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I received, or let's start this over. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved these results using orange perm rods and the new Pattern Beauty Mousse. Keep on watching. So I started off with wash day with the Pattern Beauty shampoo and conditioner, and then I applied the leave-in conditioner in the shower. Outside of the shower, I applied the mousse and my orange perm rod set. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did from start to finish. Hope you guys love this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get into this video. final results. Absolutely loving this jumbo perm rod set using Pattern Beauty products. So excited about these products. So for this perm rod set, we use the new Pattern foam mousse, and it definitely did the job. Loving these results. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this mousse or any of the other Pattern Beauty products. They do have some gels that I definitely do want to check out, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.